Christmas, this 2022 Christmas special. So today I would like to share with you my Ladybug collection. Since 2006, I was able to start collecting this Ladybug items because I was really very fascinated with the red bug that has black dots, and then I tried to and googled about the ladybug, that they are very helpful insects. I don't think these insects looks scary, or I think they look like candies to me. They look very pretty, very cute, and very beautiful. That's why I decided to create my collection, look for things that looks like the ladybug. Then I was able to accumulate 100 pieces of different ladybug designs item, but then I tried to sell some of them because I got tired of collecting. But this year, since I bought this backpack, resume collecting. So since I was able to sell some of my things, my ladybug items, these are the things that were left from my collection. So I want to share what these items look like. Since this is a Christmas special, I want to share happy things and beautiful things as well, besides bags. So first, I want to share with you this one. This is a platter, the biggest of all of them. This is a platter, and I currently use this to place fruits on my dining table. And this was a gift from one of my sisters years ago. And then this one is from a famous store here in the Philippines called the Papel Roti, and this is a tic-tac-toe. You play the X and the circle. So the circle, I think, is the ladybug, and the X is this sunflower. And this one is an RC. This is a gift from my husband. He gave me a toy, and this is my very first RC because I really don't own any car toys. And I'll show you. It also has a bee, but since I wanted to have the ladybug, this is the controller. I didn't put any battery. I don't have any battery. So that is the antenna. And then I'll show you what the ladybug card looks like. So nice. It has 4 eyes. And it has this antenna. That is your instructions. I already played with this before, and then I gave it to my son, and then he got tired of it, and so I am happy I wasn't able to sell this. One of my very cute collection. So let's put it again inside the box. So there. My RC. That is a ladybug car. Then this one, I'll put this first aside so that we have space for the biggest one. So this is my ladybug backpack that encouraged me, or that made me want to collect again ladybug items. And this is from a brand called Super Cute. It is indeed very cute, super cute. So it has this antennas. It's a backpack intended for toddlers, but this really caught my eye, so I bought it. So the rest of the things that the ladybug items and the rest of the collection that was left inside my collection is inside. We're all inside this bag. So I'll show you one by one. So this is the tag of the bag. Super cute. There. So I'll show you one by one. So this is the first bag I created this using a sewing machine, and back in 2006, where I was very excited to collect ladybug things, I made myself my own bag. Put some small things inside of this front pocket, while on the inside is just an open space for the things, small things. The next one is this one. This is a phone case. I also made this using my sewing machine. Look at the eyes. It turned yellowish. So put some buttons here in the front and button at the back. This is when phones are still small. The Nokia times where phones are small, and then you put this on your neck. So this is my second one, a phone case. Then I have here some pins for the cork board. That's the ladybug. I already have thrown the box, so I just put it in a pillowcase. And I put most of them on separate plastic so that it would not be scratched. So this is a magnet for the fridge. This is a pen holder. Put the pens there. Look at the eyes, they all look yellowish because I have this since 2006. So it's a long time. Then I have found this is a nail cutter. It's a nail cutter. And then I have this is another toy, I think. Yes, a toy. Then I have a pen that doesn't write anymore because I already have finished the ink with a ladybug at the top of this leaf. And then I have, this is a whistle. I think this is a gift. And a keychain. So this is a whistle. Then I have here a stapler. So this is a stapler, the ladybug design. And I have here, this is a clock. You press it. It's a watch. This is a watch. Look how the paint already is very worn out. I don't have any battery anymore. So I have, I want to use it again, I have to put a new battery. This is a toy from a, look, it doesn't have any feet. It should be 6 legs. It's a ladybug toy. And then this one, I think it's a gift again. I don't have the packaging anymore because I've used this before. This is a timer. Timer. So that is a timer. And then this is from a Happy Meal, I think. Donald's Happy Meal. This is from a Toy Story. Am I right? Disney, Pixar. I think it's Toy Story. I'm not really sure. You may comment down below if you know who this Disney character is, because I don't remember anymore. This is another gift. Most of them are gifts. and some of them I have made myself. This is a vacuum, mini vacuum. Has some brushes on the bottom, and push this, you throw all the things that you have already have sucked in. So this is very nice. And then I have here 2 more things inside. This is a beanie. We don't have any beanie here, I'm not really sure, but one of my relatives, I think it's my aunt, who collects beanies, she gave me her ladybug, so I'm so happy and thankful for that. This is a beanie. I really like this, and I'm so glad I didn't sell this, so I'm so happy. It's still part of my collection. The last thing inside my bag is this one. If you remember from 2020, last year, I did a video about this small coach inspired bag, and I did make some revisions on this because the zippers on the original one is white and gold, and I changed it into a red, and I placed this thing that makes it more look like a Nolita, a mini Nolita, and also change this D-ring, and also this one that would make it look like a Nolita. Inside I have some small accessories. These are ladybug to be placed on a headband. And then I have more. This is I think I bought this in 2010. This is a chain bracelet with different ladybugs as charm. And then this is a gift. I remember this is a gift from my husband. And this is it just looks like a ladybug, simple. This one I think is a gift again from one of my sisters, and this is dangling earrings, so cute. And then I have more. This is a pin, that is a ladybug pin. And then this is an earring, plastic earring. And this is my ring. When my husband proposed to me, he gave me this ring, and it is supposed to be in color red, but the paint already came off. This is a very nice ring, one of my favorite rings, but it doesn't fit my fingers anymore. I think on the smallest finger it fits. And then I have more. This is earrings, and this are gift from one of my friends. And then still have more. This is for the phone. You put this. Wish I could show you my phone. This is an old phone. I'll just show you. Put that as an accessory. Very cute. And the last thing inside this pouch is another earring. It looks like one of my old earrings. I really don't use this anymore. But now that I saw it, I think I want to use it again. And this I bought from Shein, I think. Very nice. And the latest one that I bought is this one. This is from Shein. This is supposed to be a necklace, but I'm not really a fan of using necklaces. So I am more of a bracelet person, and I am This is the two charms. I really love this tulip, one of my favorite icons, and also my ladybug icon charm. So this is so nice. I'll also link it below in case you're interested to get this one. I saw this from Shein. And so those are the things that I have left inside my ladybug collection. And this 2022, I would like to continue looking for more cute things to show you, more ladybug items to show you. In my wish list, I want to have is the coin purse from Coach. I also found a sling bag from Kate Spade that is in the ladybug, and it looks glittery. It looks very cute and elegant as well. So I really hope to find that bag as well. And I also found another one. It's a crossbody from Charles & Keith. I'd like to buy that as well, like a ladybug collection wish list. So I really hope you all enjoyed. I'm very happy to have shared my ladybug collection with you. Please let me know on the comment box if you have enjoyed as well, and if you also collect ladybug items, and if not, what other cute items do you collect aside from bags. So please join me on my 12 days of Christmas. I will link day 1 up here in case you haven't seen it yet, and please do watch all 12 of them. I'll upload them once I have finished doing the videos. I probably will not be doing day to day, but I'll just upload once I have finished. So I really have to finish all of them. 12 days of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.